This morning, the Supreme Court takes up a hot-button issue, election issue that is, illegal immigration. The justices are deciding if an Arizona immigration law goes too far.
Part of that law requires police to check the status of everyone they stop. Those who cannot prove their legal U.S. residence can be arrested. Jan Crawford is in Washington with more on today's arguments. Jan, what's at stake here?
Well, good morning, Charlie. Obviously, this is a huge emotionally charged issue about immigration for most people, but the specific legal issue in the Supreme Court is about federal power and specifically whether Congress has the exclusive power over immigration or whether states like Arizona can get involved and pass tough new immigration laws of their own. Now, Arizona, of course, said the federal government just wasn't doing enough, and that's why they had to get involved. The Obama administration sued, though, to block the law, and similar laws in other states have since gotten involved and passed laws of their own. So this issue, federal power, is one that the court has really been consumed with. Of course, we had that similar issue in the health care case involving President Obama's health care law. Now they're going to take up yet another emotionally charged issue, immigration.
Does it split along traditional lines with Justice Kennedy as his swing justice?
That is a great question. He's the one we always watch. He's kind of this human jump ball who will side with the liberals sometime and side with the conservatives. This case, I think, will be much more difficult to read going into it. These arguments this morning are going to be fascinating because we may be able to get some clues on which way the justices will lean, just like we did in the health care case. So I think we'll have a lot better idea tomorrow. A lot of people think it'll break along those traditional party lines. I wouldn't be so sure in this one, Charlie.
The role of government is one of the debates in the presidential campaign. The role of government is what is being debated at the Supreme Court.
That's right. It always is a big issue for these justices and this court, and especially as Congress passes laws that kind of get into the role of government in people's lives.
Thank you, Jan.